Hi everyone, so today I'm making a Mother's Day card design. First I'm drawing out a border as I wanted to have some flowers around the edge. Next I'm making a pattern with alcohol ink before I'm starting to fill in the colours of the flowers. And as I like to do, I'm starting sort of darker towards the middle and blending them out. So just creating some vibrant, pretty flowers. I was going with more of a pink theme, but that's more to my taste than anything else. I'm just doing the leaves here now and adding some more background, and then I'll be adding the text, but first I covered the entire thing in like a watercolour glitter sparkle effect, which is very hard to see on the video, but it's really nice. I'm adding in some lines, marking up, emphasising the flowers, just making them really stand out because I wanted them to be the main feature of the card. So I'm almost done with that. I was having a bit of trouble with my markers as they don't go too well over watercolour, so if anyone's got an idea for that, please let me know. Added the text and here's the final result.